if you are looking for something quick to make, or as a student you're looking for something easy and quick to make, even as a family you're looking for something so quick to make, this recipe is what you want to try. Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious stir fry egg noodles. Let's get started. So in a dry pan placed on a stove, pour in some vegetable oil, then you pour in your whisked egg. So this whisked egg was salted a little. Then you're going to stir until this egg is well done. So this is a recipe you want to try out if you're looking for something quick, like so quick, for your kids or even as a student. Okay, you can just come up with this simple recipe, okay, and you are going to love it. So keep stirring until the egg is well done. So once it's well done, you transfer into a plate. So still using the same pan, you're going to pour in some cooking oil, then you add your chopped onions, then you saute for a few minutes. So once that is done, you're going to add your cut green beans, then you stir fry 2 minutes each, then you add your chopped carrot and stir fry also. Next you add your chopped pepper, then your green pepper, then you stir fry everything together. So guys, this is a recipe you want to try out. So we're going to be adding little of the noodle seasoning. So I'm using super pack and I'm using about 3 packs, okay, but I'm not going to use the 3 seasoning it came with, okay. So once you've stirred for like 2 minutes, you set aside. So in a boiling water you add the noodles. We are making 3 packs of super pack. You're going to cover until it boils. So once it boils, it's ready to be transferred into a strainer to be strained. So next you're going to be adding these noodles into the prepared vegetables, okay, still on a low heat, okay. So after mixing everything together, you're going to add the already cooked or already scrambled egg, then you mix everything together on a very low heat, okay. So once you've stirred fried and make sure everything is well incorporated, so you leave for a while, like a minute or so, and this recipe is done. Like guys, it's as simple as that. As you guys can see, it's done, and we are going to transfer it, like it's ready to be served rather. Okay, so serve these guys, something quick. Check out this recipe. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. So if you are a student or you're looking for something real quick to make, try this stir fry noodles. Thank you so much. Bye.